myself another stage across the water. I wonder what it takes to make it out. It's always safe enough to seem like I don't want it. Ways to make me think that stick around.